Hello and welcome to Critical Learnings on Forest and Adivasi Rights, a course developed by the Legal Resource Center based in New Delhi in collaboration with Nagrik Learning and Vasundhara in Orissa. My name is Shomona Khanna and I am going to be one of your instructors in this course.
And I am Astha. I work with Shomona at the Legal Resource Center. The LRC is a resource center committed to strengthening legal knowledge, capacities and strategies relating to the rights of the Adivasis in India. Its multi-pronged and interdisciplinary approach to law includes academic and action-oriented legal research, case support, capacity development, knowledge production, and the development of curricula for law universities. We at the LRC are firmly at the intersection of professional legal practice and social movements. Our areas of practice and intervention cover constitutional law, laws relating to land and forests, environmental law, criminal law, administrative law, and human rights, among others.
I'm Aju John from Nagrik Learning. We create educational resources about the law, public institutions, and civic action. We then place them in the public domain and make them available for free so that more people can learn to participate in civic life.
Vasundhara is a non-governmental organization based in Odisha. It is an action research and policy advocacy organization working on natural resource governance, conservation, and sustainable livelihoods. It highlights the critical role that forests play in sustaining rural livelihoods. It facilitates the reflection of livelihood interest of forest-dependent communities in government policies. Vasundhara also works towards creating an environment in which the primary owners and users of forests are economically and politically empowered to have exclusive control over their lives and livelihoods.
For a few years now, we at the LRC have been working with Vasundhara to reach out to lawyers and activists in various tribal-dominated states including Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. There remains, however, a large number of lawyers and activists working on forest rights.
This course that we, the LRC team, have put together with support from Nagrik Learning and Vasundhara explains the Forest Rights Act of 2006 and its relationship with India's constitutional law and other areas of law.
There are 17 videos in this course and they are divided into 3 parts.
The first part deals with the matters relating to the constitutional law and the Forest Rights Act 2006, including the history of Adivasi struggle and constitution making, the principles of constitutional law, the fundamental rights and duties of the state in context of the self-governance rights of the Adivasis, and the right to self-governance under PESA.
The second part is focused on discussing the basic premise of the Forest Rights Act 2006, the history of the struggle for FRA, the principles of law laid down in the FRA and the jurisprudence emerging from it, the substantive provisions including the rights of forest dwellers and the powers of Gram Sabha, the institutional structure for claiming forest rights and the process provided in law. In this part, we will also discuss the ownership rights of minor forest produce and the effect of forest land diversion and mining on community forest land. In third part of the course, we will discuss the convergence of various laws with FRA and the manner in which other laws impact the rights guaranteed under the FRA. For example, we will discuss the interconnection of the Forest Rights Act with PESA and LARR, the impact of criminal law legislations on forest-dwelling communities and their rights, and how FRA tries to undo historical injustices. The course also delves into interconnections of FRA with environmental laws. The course also explains how RTI Act can be utilized to enhance the capacities of communities demanding rights under Forest Rights Act. And finally,
the course draws a connection between the Forest Rights Act, the Right to Food Act, and the idea of food sovereignty.
Once again, welcome to the course. We are thrilled to take you through this journey of critical learning on the rights of Adivasis and the laws relating to forests.